I'm Tyler with Powernail Company. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Model 445 LS Power Roller. This is a 16 gauge L-shaped cleat nailer that drives nails from 2 inches long to 1.5 inches. It's made right here in the USA for today's professional flooring installer, and it's the perfect tool for installing domestic species of both pre-finished and unfinished hardwood floors. What this tool features is our Flex Power Rolling Base. This allows you to roll across boards as you work instead of lifting the tool before each strike. You can also adjust this base to different lengths of flooring, specifically from 5/8 up to 3/4 of an inch without the use of shims or pads. This tool also features Powernail's XL handle with Power Wing. What this does is it brings the tool center of gravity out above the wheels and allows for a more stable and smooth operation.